What is up, guys? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own CRM app using AI. We are going to use this tool called lovable.dev, which will set up the front end of our CRM software. So first, just simply need to go to Lovable AI. So I'll put the link on the description below where you can access the website. And once you're here on the website, you just simply need to create your account by clicking on the sign up option here on the top right. And once you've clicked on sign up, you could either continue with your Google account or continue with your GitHub account, or just simply inputting your email and password. And also you could continue with your SSO. So for me, I'm going to go with my Google account. Now, once you're done with that, you will be brought right here where you just simply need to answer these questions, or you could just either skip it right here if you want. So if you click on skip, it will bring you right here back to the dashboard or to the home page. Now, what you want to do now is open up ChatGPT and we'll generate a prompt so that we could input it right here on Lovable AI. So open your ChatGPT. So I already have a prompt ready. So you could try using this, but if you have an idea in mind, you could also use that. But for me, this is mine. Help me write a prompt for my SaaS software idea for Lovable. This prompt should be structured in a way where Lovable can properly access on building this software. So I want a CRM software for sales, marketing, and customer support. I want a very modern and user-friendly design with the key features like automated CRM database and workflows. So something like that, and you simply need to click the generate right here or enter and just simply wait. So once it's done, it should look like this. So prompt for Lovable. So what we have right here is the prompt that we created. So we just simply need to copy it right here. I'm just going to simply copy all of this. I'll start from right here, then right there. Once you've copied it, go back to Lovable and just simply paste it right here. And once that's done, you just simply need to wait till this finishes. So just simply click on this and just simply wait. So this is what it should look like when it's being processed. So just simply wait till it finishes. So after a few minutes, this is what it will look like. So as you can see right here on the right side, this is the generated overview of our application. And when you go to the left side right here, you will see the reply of Lovable. So it says that I'm excited to help you build this modern SaaS CRM platform, and this evokes sleek, professional dashboards like HubSpot or Salesforce, but with a more streamlined, user-friendly approach. So I'll draw inspiration from modern data visualization platforms like Linear, Notion, and Stripe's dashboard aesthetics. And for this version, I'll focus on creating the core foundation with these key features. So it has a dashboard homepage, contact management, analytics dashboard, modern navigation, responsive design, and you can also check out everything right here. And also says here that the build is unsuccessful since, as you can see, given the need to manage customer relationships, automate workflows, and track performance, you'll likely need back-end functionality for saving data. So Supabase is a simple way to add these features, including user accounts and integration with other services without complex technical setup. So you will need to connect Supabase first so that you will have all the functionalities right here. And if you click on visit docs right here, it will bring you here where you could check the product capabilities of Lovable. So we have the welcome page right here, the capabilities. So front-end UI, persistence, authentication, backend endpoint, deployment, collaboration, and real-time sync. There's also these integrations right here and all the other features. You also have the messaging limits right here. So for the free plan, you can get all 5 free daily credits a day, a maximum of 30 free daily credits a month, and it also resets at start of the month. And here are the plans right here, which is a pro and the team plan. So these are the pricings that they have right there. So you could check it out right here. And we have the features, just a quick start, the modes, the Figma to Lovable, so you could integrate it, visual edit, knowledge files, dev mode labs, deploy, custom domain, launch, and security right here. And as you can see, here are the integrations. So we have GitHub, Superbase, Stripe, and payments, integration with Resam, integration with Clerk, Make, Replicate, integration with AI, and integration with 21st Top Dev. And there's also tips and tricks right here that you could check out, and the best practices, troubleshooting, mobile support, so everything that you will need to start off with Lovable. So you could just simply read out all of these right here so that you could have, or you would know all of the tips and tricks on setting up your software or application. But going back right here, so let's say you want to change something. So what you could actually do is just simply ask Lovable to change it. So let's say I want the font to be changed. I'm going to type in change the font to something like that. And just simply do that, enter it, and just simply wait for it to work again. And as you see right here, and if you click on the writing index, it will actually show you the code right there, which is pretty cool. So, and if you know something about code, you could check out this part and you could change something if you want. So as you can see, I've changed the font to DM Sans by adding the Google Fonts link and configuring it as a default sans serif font in Tailwind. So as you can see, the font has been changed. So I like this font better. It looks more aesthetic to me. And if you get an error right here, if you click on it, you could try to fix it right here and to show up right here on the left side, which says for the code present, I get the error below. Please think step by step in order to resolve it. So looking at the errors, I need to fix two issues in the app sidebar component. So the collapse property doesn't exist on the sidebar context. And as you can see right here, it has now been fixed. So fix the TypeScript errors by using state from the sidebar context instead of collapse, and change the collapsible prop to use the correct string value icon instead of a boolean. And if you want to check the preview of your generated application, you could just simply click on open preview in a new tab, and it will open it in a new tab right here where you could check it out. So we have the dashboard, the contacts section. So if I click on dashboard, if I click on contacts, it will bring us right there. There's also an option to add contacts, and the analytics right here, the campaigns, and the settings right there. So of course, everything will be different if you have another idea in mind. So if you use a different prompt, it will be different for you. And let's say I want to add more colors on our application right here. So let's say I want more gradient colors on the dashboard. So I'm gonna try to add some colors right here on the dashboard on every part of this. So I also screenshot it and paste it right here. So you could also do that if you want. So let's say we want to base it on something or on a specific UI, you could do that so that Lovable can check it out. So for me, I'm going to try this one. So as you can see, it says that I've added beautiful gradient backgrounds and this is what I wanted. And it also even added proper dark mode support, even though I didn't say anything, which is actually great since not every user has the same lighting modes on their device. And I'm going to check out other pages right here. So for the analytics, let's say I also want to change it. I'm going to type in also do the same with the analytics page or section. And now as you can see, it has now added that gradient look to it. So for the analytics page, and you could also add a prompt to add the gradient look on other pages right here, which is on the email campaigns and funnel. So once you're done with all of that, you could just simply click on publish right here and just simply click on publish again and wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, it says project updated here at the bottom, right? And if you click on the preview right there, it will bring you straight to the website or the application that we just made. And boom, as you can see, you can now have, or here's the application that we just made using Lovable. And then you go to contacts, analytics, campaign. So every section works. Let's say I want to click on new campaign. So if it's not working like this, so the new campaign button doesn't work. So if you want to fix that, you just need to go back right here, Lovable, and just simply ask Lovable to fix the add campaign button. And also let's check the add contacts button if it works. So it doesn't also work. So you just simply need to prompt or give a prompt to Lovable again to fix those parts. But that's basically how fast you can make an application or website or whatever you want to be generated here on Lovable AI. So here is the pricing, which I will discuss to you guys. For the free plan, you can get 5 daily credits and you could also get started with public projects. And for the pro plan, which is the popular one, is $25 per month. So you could get 100 credits per month right here and everything in free, plus 100 credits a month, private projects, remove the Lovable badge, custom domains, and 3 editors per project. And for the Teams plan, which is $30 a month, so you could get everything in the Pro plan, plus centralized billing, centralized access management, and includes 20 seats right here. And you could also change the credits per month you could have right there. And for the enterprise, so for customer needs, dedicated support, SSO, and to opt out of data training. So you will need to contact the Lovable team for this one. So just head over the link below in the description to start off with Lovable right here. And that's basically it for our video, guys. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find this video helpful. And that is basically it. I'll see you on the next one.